Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be introducing you to my dog who is literally my child. His name is Duke. I'm going to insert some clips that I have put on TikTok. And I'm coming to you today from my bedroom, which is not my usual filming site at all. I'm taking the day off today just to relax and heal up from an ankle injury thanks to my dog. We were outside and he ran into me and knocked me down and I twisted my ankle and it hurts pretty bad. But anyways, excuse my face, excuse my hair, I look a little rough today. But here's some videos of Duke. His favorite things are treats. He cannot get enough. He loves people, absolutely loves the attention. And he loves to hold hands. That's something that he does. He absolutely loves to hold hands. He'll just walk up to you and give you his paw, wanting to hold your hand, and if you try to let it go, he'll keep it up there. You'll see, I have a video of that too. But anyways, here you go. He's a good boy. Duke, high five. Good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. What is it? You want to hold my hand? This dog's a mess. He's always wanting to hold hands. Oh man. You're a good boy. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, Duke, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Look who's pouting because he just got a bath. Are you mad because you got a bath, buddy? Oh, you poor thing. He is just a happy dog. He loves his naps. He loves to wear costumes and loves to wear clothes. He loves his toys. He is cared for and he is spoiled rotten. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the precious videos of my puppy. He's just a big old baby. I appreciate it. Like this video if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.